Hi there, it's Miss Nowakowski coming to you from the studio at Grower Elementary in the Richmond School District. And the game I'm going to share with you today is called Pig. And there's lots of different versions of Pig around, and you may have learned it a different way, but the way we're going to play today focuses on using two dice and adding them together, and then also thinking about the probability. And so there's a risk factor and some strategy involved with deciding which rolls you keep and where you stop, and the goal is to score 100 before your partner does. So that's the basic rules, but I'll explain more in the video. Okay, so to play Pig, you can play with a partner or 3 or 4 people. I've got my partner here. So I'm me and my partner is you. And you start, I'll start, and you roll 2 dice and you add them together. So I've got 11, so I'm just gonna record 11, but I can keep rolling. So each turn you decide how many rolls you're going to take. And again, your goal is to be the first one to get 100. So I've got 11 on my first roll, which is a pretty good roll. But I'm going to roll another time. Let's see if I can add to it. So 4 and 3. So that's 7. So now I've got 7. I add that to 11, so that's 18. You know what? I'm going to roll one more time. Oh, I was lucky. So I've got 10, and now I'm at 28. And so that's my score for that round. So I've got 28 so far. I said I was lucky because I didn't roll a 1. So if you roll a 1 and you get 1 on 1 dice, you erase your score for that whole turn and your turn is over, and I would have scored 0. Okay? If you get 2 1s, so if I rolled 2 1s, then you lose your score for everything you've acquired so far. So that is not very lucky. You don't want double 1s. Okay, so now my partner will take their turn. Okay, so my partner is going to roll first. They got 4. You don't have to write each roll down, but just if you want to keep track, you can. So now 4, partner's going to go again. They've rolled 9, so 9 and 4 is 13. They notice that I've got 28, so they're like, I'm going to keep going. Another roll. Oh, but now they got a 1 on one of their dice, so they lose all their score, and their turn is over. My partner's got 0 for that turn. Now it's my turn again, and I roll. I've got 7. I'm going to give it another 1. Oh, 11. So 11 and 7 is 18. Oh, wow. Why don't I just do one more? 6. So I'm going to stop there. So that's 24 on this roll. And now I add 24 to 28. So 4 and 8 is 12. And then I add that 10 to the 20 and 20, so that's 52. Okay. And now it's my partner's turn. Did you see that? My partner just rolled double 1s. My partner's not having very good luck. So they finally scored 22, but now they've scored double 1s. So they score 0 on this turn, but they also lose their entire accumulated score. So now they're back to 0. Oh my goodness. And I have 76. So I really am close to 100, but I'm cautious because now I don't want to lose all my points like my partner did. So I've got 8. Okay, maybe try another roll. 10. I'm going to stop there because that's 18. And so 8 and 6 is 14. 7, 8, so I'm at 94. I only need 6 more. But I'm stopping there. Just hold on to my 94. My partner, oh my goodness, they got a 1 and a 2. Scored 0 again, so they're still at 0. I run out of lines here, but that's okay. I'll find another place to record my score. So I only need 6 to get to 100. Let's see if I can do it. Yay, so I've got 10. I'm just going to add it here. So I stop, so I get 104. And the game is over because I got over 100 or over first. So lots to think about as you play Pig, thinking about adding numbers together, doing a cumulative cumulative score, adding up all your points together, and then always thinking about what are the chances of rolling a 1 and what are the chances of rolling a double 1, and using that thinking to help you decide when to stop each of your turns. Have fun playing pig.